Hi guys, this is a short video of how I connect the yarn. Someone did ask for this, so I might as well just do the short video of how I connect the yarn when it's ran out or when you want to change to the different colors. So here is how I do it. So I have two different yarns colors just to show you so you can see the differences. This is the first one, so I basically just do the yarn from the left end on top of the right end, and then you twist the yellow color, so you can see this is the yarn twist, and then you will use the right end to go over on the left end. You just follow the yellow yarn color, so just put it on top of the left end, and you will have to put the yellow end here underneath, pull it through the loops, so you will have this kind of knot. Pull the end tight, not too tight because you might break the yarns, and then try to snip this off as close as you can. So you have just connected the yarn together. So here is my first method. For the second method, I'm gonna use the two ends together like this. Leave it for around 1 centimeters, and then you will need to hold one end on tight on the right hand side and try to press these two ends firmly, and you need to wrap the yarn on your right hand side. You need to go underneath of these two ends here, and then do it one more time, one more round. So you can see here I have wrapped the yarn round twice. Make sure it's firm, and then you need to use the same end to go over on top of these two ends, and try to press these two inside the loop, and press these firmly, and then just pull the yarn like this, and pull it tight, and then again snip this off. This is the second technique, but I don't really like this technique as much because it have created the big knot. When you crochet, you can actually see this knot compared to the first one that I have used. So it's slightly bigger knot. Still have the third one, which is the magic knot. This is what they call it. So many of you probably have seen these techniques. So by using this to go underneath, and then you need to do it firmly. So you need to pull the ends like this and try to pull the end tight. So one end's finished, and the other end you will have to do exactly the same. Use this end on top, and then you just need to go like, you will have something like this, and then put it back. So basically just create the two knots and two ends, and pull it tight. Now we need to pull these two ends at the same time, so the two knots will meet each other like this, and snip it off. Try to cut this quite close and nicely. And the fourth technique that I'm using, you need to bring the yarn of the new color that you want to change to. For example, this one here is a sample of the double crochet stitches, and if I want to change to the new one, I need to do yarn over like what I normally do, the double crochets, and then you have 3 loops, and then pull the same yarn color through. Now you have 2 loops, and then grab the new color yarn, and then you will position the yarn like this. Bring the new yarn color through like this, so you get the new yarn color, and then you can crochet normal and try to hide the color that you have just changed like this. So you can crochet normal with the next stitches. So for those ends you have hidden, you can just cut these off. And these are the 4 techniques that I normally use when I need to change to the different yarn colors. So you can pick one, or you can use all of them, depends on the yarn size, yarn type, and the design. So you can choose any of these. What I normally use, I prefer to use the first techniques because of the knot. It's not too big, so I can hide it while I'm working on my design. The rest I use sometimes. This is entirely up to you which techniques you want to use. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, as we have many more designs to come. I will see you in the next video.